Do you need to build a strategy but don't know where to start? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple 4-step framework for building a strategy. And we're going to use a real-life example to put a strategy together in less than 5 minutes. Whether you're running a business, a team, or department, you'll walk away with a clear strategy framework that you can start applying today. Step 1, define your vision. This is the type of organization or team that you want to become. And it should have 2 things. One is uniqueness. This is what sets you apart in the marketplace. And 2 is value. What value are you delivering to the customer? Let's use IKEA as a real-life example. Their vision is to create a better everyday life for the many people. They're not just about furniture, they're about improving daily life through simplification and affordability. That's what makes them stand out, and that's the value that they're delivering to their customer. Step 2, define your target market. Who are you serving? If you're building a strategy for an organization, this would be the customers or clients you're trying to attract. If you're building a strategy for a team or department, think about who you're serving in your role. It could be external clients or customers, or it could be internal folks that you're supporting. Be specific. The clearer you are, the better the strategy. Let's look at IKEA's target market. Cost-conscientious, style-seeking consumers. Mostly young adults, first-time buyers, and families. People who want functional design at an affordable price. They're DIY-minded and value practicality over luxury. Next is value proposition. What value are you delivering to your customer? This could be offering a high-quality product or service. It could be speed, convenience, or price position. Think about how you're solving the customer's problems. Their biggest problems have the highest value. For IKEA, it's affordable, stylish, functional furniture, designed for self-assembly, built for sustainability. Their low prices come from their flat pack design, and their stores help customers imagine the possibilities. Step 4, how you'll win. This is where strategy gets real. These are the choices and trade-offs that you will make to maintain your unique position in the marketplace while delivering the value to your target market. For IKEA, this means flat pack design to cut shipping and storage costs, global scale to keep prices low, in-house product design, inspiring showroom layouts, long-term investment, and sustainability. This is what guides every choice they make. Now let's put it all together. Here is IKEA's full strategy in one sentence. IKEA aims to create a better everyday life for the many people by offering affordable, stylish, and functional home furnishings to cost-conscientious consumers, delivered through self-service and flat-pack design, enabled by efficient operations, smart sourcing, and sustainable practices. That's a clear and actionable strategy. Now let's put this strategy to work. Let's see how IKEA can use this strategy to help them make business decisions. Should IKEA offer in-home assembly like West Elm? At first, it sounds good. Adds convenience, competes with premium brands, and adds another revenue stream. But when they look at their how to win, it tells them differently. Flat packs mean low cost. Self-service is core to their brand, and simplicity means they have scalability. So, strategically, they say no to in-home assembly. Alternatively, they can offer optional third parties to help, like TaskRabbit. They can improve their DIY tools and innovate to make assembly easier. That's strategy in action. Once you've built your strategy, share it. Make sure your whole team knows it, and use it when making tough choices. That's it. 4 steps in less than 5 minutes. A strategy you can act on. If you want to try this for yourself, check out the worksheet that I have linked below. It will walk you through each step quickly and clearly. And if you're still confused on what a strategy is, check out this video where I explain it in simple terms. See you there.